Hey, it's Chris Allingham with the Virtual Rubber Bullet. I'm out in the backyard today making smoked bologna. So I went to the supermarket and I bought the largest piece of bologna I could find. I couldn't find a whole chub, but I found a half a chub, and it's a good quality brand, so it should work out pretty well. I brought that home and I scored it with a knife in kind of a diamond pattern like you would with a ham. I rubbed a thin layer of yellow mustard on the surface, and then I sprinkled it all over with Slap Your Daddy all-purpose barbecue rub, and I'll include a link to that in the description of the video. Put that in my Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker at 250 degrees, and I'm going to smoke it over applewood for probably 3 to 4 hours. When that's finished, I'll let it cool off a little bit. I'll slice it into good thick slices, put a little bit of melted American cheese on top, and serve that in a sandwich. I'm going to take a mayonnaise mustard mix, put that on the bottom of a toasted bun, put some shredded lettuce down, put my bologna slices with American cheese, and then top it off with some crunchy potato chips and another bit of the mayonnaise mustard mix on the top bun. It should make for a good eating sandwich. I'm looking forward to that a little bit later today. And then for the other leftovers, I'll probably cut that up into quarters and then into slices, and we could serve that on crackers, or you could take it also and cut it up into chunks as well, and you could even put those just in a pile and serve them with a toothpick like an appetizer. So I'm looking forward to some delicious smoked bologna today. If you've not tried it, give it a try yourself. A lot of people like it. It's a lot of fun to make in the Smokey Mountain Cooker. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching all my videos. I appreciate you very much. If you would please like and subscribe to my videos, I'd appreciate it. That helps other people find them. And until next time, happy bologna, everybody. Bye-bye.